want to batch your meal prep, meaning you cook those 2-3 meats, keep it in a pan, get you some sides, or cut up your favorite vegetables, roast them, or put them in the oven, and just make a bowl every day. Mm, my chicken with my broccoli, bam. Chicken with my mix, bam. And you can just mix it up. Now, if you're interested in a meal prep strategy, a meal prep uh, webinar or something, please let me know, because I would love to teach more meal preps, but no one's been asking me about meal prep. But I do have Estelle Green Eats. But yes, and then on the same note, how much time I got? Okay. Staying on track is so important, but it did help me save money. That $100 I was able to eat for maybe 2 weeks. You know, and that helped me a lot because I was eating like $20 a day sometimes. So that adds up real quick. I'd rather use that extra money for investments or use it towards a business idea or shoot, something more important. Especially when you eat, it's like, especially when I thought in my mind, okay, I'm gonna eat my emos because I'm in St. Louis or my wherever my favorite fast food place is. I eat that, and then when it's gone, then what? I'm gonna end up ordering more or ordering something just as bad or just not sticking to my goal. When I can eat all day, literally 5 times a day, and it literally made me skinnier or it made me lose fat. Let me say that. Okay. Adding weights to it make my body hot because eating is great. The exercise portion just helps us build muscle. Ladies, it's okay for us to pick up some weights. It won't make us look like a man, I promise you. Unless you're pushing 100, 200 plus iron 5, 6 times a week, you're not going to look like a man, okay? Unless you train like a bodybuilder. And we don't need to train like a bodybuilder to have Angela Bassett arms and nice sexy back like Tiana Taylor. Okay? Anyways, but staying on track was very important, but it helped me so much when I meal prep. Helped me stay on track tremendously. That means even if you don't want to make 5 meals a day, 2 meals a day, but just not having to think about what I'm eating today, just taking that aspect of having to think out of the day was amazing. And it put my mind towards other important things. I'm learning to cook healthy meals, but actually making it taste good was such a boom. Like, you would think, duh. But actually, when you start enjoying eating, you enjoy cooking. Because sometimes I be like, man, I want to stop at Taco Bell. Or I can make me a fire wrap when I get home. And I know what's in it. It don't have anything that I don't like. And I know it's going to taste good. You know how especially some fast food places now are hit or miss. Sometimes you get there, you're like, who made this? Okay. Or if you get some ordered, I don't like DoorDash and stuff like that anymore because it's like, it's a hit or miss with that too. They'll miss something, they'll forget something, they'll have something I didn't want in there, all kinds of stuff. So you have to really be mindful of, what we're eating every day. Learning to cook. And see, I don't know who needs to hear this, but it's not that you don't want to eat healthy food. It's that you expect your healthy meals to be boring, and it don't have to be. It's really important for us to just simply know how to cook.